Welcome back, sellers. Today, we're diving into the nitty-gritty of preparing your home for a successful sale. Buckle up because we're condensing our top tips into one powerful punch to get your home market ready. Let's roll. Step 1, decluttering. It's not just about tidying up, it's about creating space and ambiance. Start at your front door and methodically work your way through every room. Envision every shelf or counter as a page in a design magazine, each decor piece carefully chosen to enhance the space. And remember, sentimentality can weigh you down. Pack up personal items and keep only what complements the room. Step 2, painting. A fresh coat of paint can breathe new life into your home. Walk through each room and inspect the walls, baseboards, and ceilings. Note any chips or peeling paint for touch-ups. Now, let's talk about color. While bold hues may reflect your personality, they can distract potential buyers. Opt for a warm, neutral white to create a blank canvas that appeals to a broader audience. And don't forget the windows. Sunlight can be harsh on paint, so give those frames some TLC with touch-ups if needed. Step number 3, repairs and renovations. It's time to tackle those lingering projects head on. Start with any issues related to water intrusion, from past leaks to current plumbing or roof issues. Address them promptly. Next up, let's talk about updates. Even small changes can make a big impact. Consider painting cabinets, updating lighting fixtures, or refreshing outdated bathrooms and kitchens. Worried about the upfront costs? Our Concierge Listing Service has your back, covering expenses until closing day. Step 4, staging. Whether your home is vacant or not, staging is essential for creating that wow factor. Take a critical look at your furnishings. Do they enhance the room's features or make it feel cramped? Clear paths and open spaces invite exploration. And if you have a room that's lacking an identity, get creative. Transform it into a fitness area, home office, or cozy reading nook to spark buyers' imagination. Feeling inspired? If you've tackled these steps, share your transformation with us. And if the thought of all this feels overwhelming, don't worry. We're here to handle everything from start to finish. Give us a call and we'll take care of the rest.